I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
Oh my baby. I'm pretty than a motherfucker. Hoes be looking okay. Yeah. He fucking with me. Is this bitch okay? He said he ain't fucking around. I look at him like okay. I used to be that bad, but now a bitch okay. I'm pretty than a motherfucker.
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Star. So, in the last video that I showed you guys was the empty apartment tour. So for this video, we went shopping for the apartment, so basically the things that we need, like food and stuff. So I'll be showing you guys what we got. So yeah, so got some chicken wings. So I'm gonna start with the fresh food and beef. So this one, okay, what did you say this one? Everything, so it makes it easier. And this was $27 for all of this. It's a lot. And then I got two fish. It's already seasoned and yeah, make my life easier. If I don't like the seasoning on it, I'm just gonna remove it, but yeah. And then we got the pork ribs. That's that. What else? Salmon. Damn, this was $20. So this right here, more chicken wings. And we got ground beef. And that's that. French toast. Right here, and corn. You know how to make corn? I don't know. I know how to make corn. Like something. Okay, and basically got some bell pepper because I'm going to be making a lot of stew and stuff like that. You basically use bell pepper for like everything nowadays. Jalapenos right here. This is the hot pepper we got. I actually got two of this because, well, we're Africans. It's called a dragon fruit, right? So, I mean, crazy. I've been seeing this for a while on Instagram and YouTube. And they be making a big fuss out of this fruit. So, finally got it. And I'm going to try it. And I'll let you guys know how I like it. I hope it's all that because I'm telling you, you're a big disappointment. And yeah, got some oil and 2 bags of jasmine rice. So for some reason, us Africans, we love brown rice. But ever since I started eating jasmine rice, brown rice just is not cutting it out for me no more. So jasmine rice it is. It's just that it have that different taste to it, you know? It makes the soup and like whatever side dish you have tastes just extra. Oof. I'm not gonna say it, but yeah. So I got some taco seasoning right here. Because we have definitely gonna be doing tacos for sure. And then cheese, Mexican. I got bacon, of course. That's that. And oof. So we got cassava. Actually bought 3 of them, but the big ones. So I'm gonna be doing cassava gravy, African dish. So yeah, don't know how to cook, but I'll be trying my best. And I got some patties, beef. So we got our onions. Butter right here. This is the butter that I usually use, and garlic, some hot dogs. Y'all, I'm mostly gonna use this for gravy. See, in my country, there's like a kind of gravy where you put the sausages in there and all that. Some yogurt. I don't really eat yogurt, but this is good for one thing, so try that. Cucumbers right here, cut out. And here I have onion powder and my garlic powder. So we got some seasoning. Sorry, seasoning and stuff like that. A couple more. Make sure the red seasoning and you need salt, of course. Is it the red thing? The number's still going. Okay. And got some tomatoes right here. Oh, more seasoning, black pepper. So yeah, we got a lot of things, honestly. Okay, we have no pepper. And yeah, pasta, macaroni. I'm gonna see if I can get more of these. They're cheap, like $1.79. Some's like $1, like 79 cents, depending on where you go. But yeah. Sweets. And got 2 eggs and stuff for mostly for breakfast and omelets and stuff. So I'm gonna put that right there. Yeah, we got a lot of stuff. And got our hot sauce. This is like my favorite hot sauce right here. So, and I got ranch. So this one is my favorite dip, like the cheese dip. I like this one much better, but you know, you have different options and stuff, but this is the one that I like. And that's why I got the chips for it too. And yeah, so we also have ground beef, I think I told you, so we can make some different dishes and stuff. So got the stuff. You'll see when I'm making it. So I got 2 of the Totitos chips, just so we can have, and I got like a couple more chips that we need and stuff. And yeah, so I got me wipes. I like baby wipes, so I got these 2 baby wipes. In this house, we use wipes. Okay. And this is the plantain chips. Not really a big fan of plantain, but this actually tastes really good. And we have bagels and white bread. White? Yeah, you have the white bread and we have the bagel. We bought bagel, okay, there we go. I was looking for the bagel cream. So, got bagel cream right here. And I got these for the bag of chips to close it. There's like stuff on Shane where when the bag of chip is open, you can just like clip it together and it's just gonna go right back. Don't know how to say it, but I'm gonna look for it, and I think I'm gonna order one. But for now, these clips are gonna get now. And let's see. Oh, okay. I got some juice, fruit punch. I don't use fruit punch. I got 2. And milk. So I didn't get I have popcorn right here. I didn't get the regular popcorn because for some reason, ever since I left my country, which was what, 2010, I've always wanted to just pop the regular popcorn. Put it in a pot, put some butter and oil and salt and just do it myself. Or if anything, I might have to buy a popcorn machine, a mini one. And for the last, Cajun seasoning. Oh, this gotta be good. So there's this, and also, I don't know if you're allowed to show this, but we got some alcohol. Just like that. I got my kinky. If you know me, my kinky. Ooh, this is one of my favorite drinks. And then the white wine. What is it called again? Kendrick Jackson? Kendall Jackson. This one, well, not the last one. Each time I look, there's more. Sprite. I said mostly for his drink as a chaser, right? And Coca-Cola. And for the last one, this time, for real, the last one. We got some bowls and some spoons. And yeah, this is what we, just put them over here. This is what we have. And yeah.